Hi favorites, I'm super excited for this video because it's my first time showing you how to do this in detail. Today we'll be making use of the feather crochet from YGwigs. This hair is called feather crochet because it's as light as a feather. It's not heavy at all. The density came out so full, like at the end of the video the hair became full. Even with it being full, it was still lightweight. If you're a beginner and you've never done your hair before, be rest assured you can do this hairstyle yourself because all you need is crochet and the extension. This is super easy. Pass the loop into your cornrow and then add your feather crochet into it, lock it and pull it over, cross it into the loop. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Observe what I'm doing. It's super detailed. Something I love about this extension is how you can style it endlessly by itself with headbands and with scarves. Like the styles are endless, and if you want to see more ways to style this hair, wait till the end or watch till the end of the video. Also check out my Instagram. I show you multiple ways you can style this kind of hairstyles. Now this is how to make the front look natural. I've been doing this process for a while now. As I said before, pass the crochet pin from the front to a certain point, then add the hair, pull only one part, so the first part to be in front, then you take the other part at the back and crochet it to meet the one at the front. I believe this is one of the simplest ways I can explain this. You can observe the rest. After sending that one to the front, you can go ahead to crochet as usual. The essence of that first part is going to make the front part look a bit more natural and it's going to make it fall to your face. So when you'll be framing the hair, everything is going to lay forward. Another good thing about this hair is you can carry it for approximately 3 months after installation. Okay, so you can carry this for a long period of time and it's still going to look beautiful. Also watch till the end. I'm going to show you how to define this. Now in that process, you don't have to do it every day. All you can do after the day you install it, you use water and mousse, and then every other day you can just use water in the bathroom and it defines the curls, and then you can brush it out. And yeah, the brand sent in 6 packs, but I ended up making use of I think 4 or 5 packs, and my hair was super full. So you can get 5 packs and it's going to be enough for your hair. So onto the next part, I'm going to be showing you how I define my curls. You have to work in sections, okay? Get a clip and section out some parts and make use of water in a spray bottle. In this video, I made use of water and mousse. I prefer using mousse because it's quite affordable. You need to understand that this hair is literally human hair and you have to treat it like human hair, okay? Detangle with your hand first, then go in with your water. You need to drench the hair with water, okay? After drenching it very well, you apply your mousse, and if you still need to apply more water, you can go ahead to apply more water, so it's going to be easier to brush. Remember I said this is literally human hair, so you have to treat it like your actual hair. You work from the tip to the root. Okay, so this is me slaying my hair. Note, I face framed the hair making use of scissors. Doing that gives it a little bit of frame and shape, you know, to match your face. You can actually rock it without doing this, but I always prefer this. It makes it look more natural. I went ahead to show you more styles on how you can rock this. Do enjoy the rest of the video. Remember, more details in my description box, and leave a comment for me if you love this hair, if you would like to try it, and don't forget to share this to someone who likes this kind of hairstyle. I love you so much, and do keep on watching. Hi favorites, so if you made it till this point, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to leave a comment for me, leave something sweet. It makes me happy, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.